What's up guys, this is Cameron at Relentless Shine. Today we're working on a Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. So we already have what's called a hybrid front mostly installed. I think there's a couple pieces left to install, but painted front bumper pieces are done. I believe the headlights are done, and then the full hood is done, and we'll show you up close here in a minute. When we do full hoods, it is a bulk piece. We cut off of the paint and then wrap the edges. So the film will be floating out here, and we'll use scissors to cut it nice and close, accurate, and then roll everything up underneath. Same thing with the scoop up on top. And so we'll show you up close. When we put the scoop back on the hood, there won't be an outline of the film. It's gonna be wrapped behind that piece, and we do that wherever we can on each installation. So we will also be doing Relentless Shine Elite ceramic coating, so our 5-year warranted ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle, and then lifetime warranty tint. It's a 3-layer ceramic by Autobahn Performance Films, so all side and rear windows, and we'll keep this thing cool for summer. So this is the edge of the film, just back from the edge. Hopefully you can see that on camera fairly decent. So you'll notice it's wrapped down below the ridge so that when we put the vent back in the vehicle, it'll be hidden. And so that's one less edge that you have to worry about keeping clean and that you're not gonna see. For now, while this is still curing, I'm gonna pull the piece back out. But once it's cured, that piece of film will stay nice and tight, won't cause any issues coming up. We've got enough meat around the corner to keep it locked down and keep it very, very neat looking. So that's a little insight to the clear bra installation. We might try and catch some of the ceramic. If not, we've got other videos. We can drop links in the description below. They're about the same, just a different car another day. If you enjoy the videos, please subscribe, turn on the alerts so you can see when we release new content. We're trying to bring you a couple videos a week, keep educating everyone. Please, if you have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer you. And if you're looking to do this on your own vehicle, we do have some do-it-yourself products. We'll drop that link in the comments below also. And as always, thank you.